Hello everyone, I Dr. Arun Bhatia, Faculty of MBA Department from Technical Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on entrepreneurship development. Let me just go about first by saying that the problems of the corporate world possibly cannot be solved by skeptics or cynics whose mental horizons are limited by the obvious realities. An entrepreneurial mind dreams of things that never were and asks why not. Why do we study entrepreneurship? There is probably an idea capable of changing the world, or it can further enhance an existing process. Maybe there is a technological breakthrough and you would like to capitalize on it, for example, by opening up a startup. Maybe there is a passion that you have for learning entrepreneurship while having a good idea, technology, and maybe a partner. Entrepreneur has a history behind. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, meaning to undertake. In the early 16th century, the Frenchmen who organized and led military expeditions were referred to as entrepreneurs. After 1700, the term was applied to other types of adventures, mainly civil engineering like construction of roads, etc. An entrepreneur is one who creates a business in the face of risk and uncertainty with the intention of making profits and growth by identifying opportunities and assembling the necessary resources to capitalize on them. An entrepreneur is a person who has the capacity to bear the risk of operating a business in the wake of uncertainty about the future conditions. A person having possession for an enterprise or venture and takes the accountability for the inherent risks and the outcome. He is an adventurous leader who combines land, labor and cost to create and make new goods or services. He is one who innovates, raises money, assembles inputs and sets the organization going. Now let's go about defining what is an entrepreneurship. In the words of Peter Drucker, they define entrepreneur as a person who always searches for change, responds to it and exploits it as an opportunity. He is involved in gathering and using resources to make use of opportunities to produce results. Innovation is a specific tool of entrepreneurs, the means by which they exploit change as an opportunity for a different business or services. Entrepreneurship is a systematic innovation which consists of the purposeful and organized search for change and in a systematic analysis of the opportunities such change might offer for economic and social innovation. Entrepreneurship is the process of designing, launching and running a new business, which kicks off as a small business such as a startup company offering a product, process or service for sale or hire. Entrepreneurship requires willingness to take calculated risks, both personal and financial, and then to do anything and everything possible to reduce the chances of failure. Entrepreneurs are individuals who create and grow enterprise, whereas entrepreneurship is the process through which entrepreneurs create and grow business. An entrepreneur seeks for an opportunity, converts it into an idea and translates into a creative activity, including products, service, concepts, giving rise to an enterprise. Many industries have evolved and transformed at a puzzling pace. Radio took 38 years to reach 50 million listeners. Television took 13 years to reach 50 million viewers. Internet only took 5 years to reach 50 million users. Steve Jobs for Apple computer was introduced to graphical user interface while on tour to Xerox in the 70s. Surprisingly, Xerox did not recognize the potential of graphical user interface, but Steve did. Today, PCs operate with the same interface originating from the innovation. IBM, on the other hand, pioneered the computer technologies with patents, scientists, and the R&D to enter into the market. But the entrepreneurs at Digital and the computer workstation at Sun Microsystems created the mini computer market. Although IBM had led in technology but did not have the entrepreneurial mindset. Innovation not only involves technology, it can include unique distribution strategies like Sears and Roebuck and Amazon.com, Flipkart, or pricing strategies like Bata, Maruti, Home Department and Charles Schwab, or convenience like McDonald's and Starbucks. Industries like personal computing, voicemail, cellular phones, fast oil changes, internet shopping, convenience foods, superstores, and digital entertainment, portable cabins did not exist a generation ago. From 1980 till date, the world has added more than 64 million new jobs, while Fortune 500 lost more than 10 million jobs. Around the globe, about 10 lakh new businesses are started every year. We are all surrounded by great business ideas. Open your eyes to recent trends that is going to affect the future business environment. Look at things around that bug you or have your head searching. What is it that you need but do not have? So my friends, I hope you understood the topic on entrepreneurship development. Thank you very much. Keep watching Technia TV.